just want to go over our Advent of Code Day 3. So to be quick, there's a bunch of mul xy operations in a string, but there's also junk, so these should be ignored. So here we get that mul, ignore that because it's got square brackets. You can get that one, and then you get this one, and then that one standing next to each other. Now I was going to use a state machine and a whole bunch of overcomplicated stuff, but I just used the parse display crate and made my struct, which has an A and a B, and told it that is how you would parse it. So let parse display do the parsing, and then I read the whole input into a file, input into memory, into a string, I guess you could say. I mean, it is a string. Then we carry the sum. We're gonna, I mean, why do I have to explain what that is? Just the sum of all that we got to get the answer. We've got to multiply each pair and then add them up. So then we use sliding windows through the whole content. So we go for start in 0 dot. I put the input dot len minus this because we were never going to start at anything. Actually, you should put -1 in case it actually ends in that. And we're never gonna just so we don't have to go right through to the end, because there's no point in getting a string that's only 2 characters long because it cannot fit the word mul in it. So that's great. In fact, you know what? I might no, just leave that. That's good. That's kind of clear of where we're doing it. Don't go right to the end. The last, how can I say it concisely? The last window should at least fit in the minimal operation size, and that's what that thing there is for. And then maybe I should put that in a variable. You know what? I'll do that. Extract into variable, and then we're going to put, I mean, it's going to be a const. In fact, can be converted into a const. Const rename min window size, I guess, and then that's it. Isn't it cool how you can make it a const? Can you make it a const? That's a usize. Great. Done. You can make it a const, so you can just measure what that is and then take the length away and do -1. And then we do a sliding window, so the string, which is now a slice into the main, so that's all the data is stored up there. This S here is a slice into that, which starts at start and goes all the way to the end. And then we're saying if the window we're looking at starts with mul, then find the closing bracket, done, and then pass it. And then we make a new slice, which is the beginning until the end, till the bracket. Maybe we should rename that to closing bracket position. Let's be super explicit. That's way too explicit. And that's it. And we want to go +1. No, I just keep it at end. Maybe I rename it to close. Done. But then it's going to be a bit inefficient because it is now going to keep on parsing. It's going to start. It's just going to move the window forward by 1, but that's okay, I guess. To do, you could make this more efficient by skipping the start ahead to the end of the just read window. Maybe we should do that. Save it and format. Why is it not? It's not. It doesn't think that it's big enough. Okay, that's good. What's it caring about now? I've deleted it. I've got an extra curly braces there. Okay, and still runs. Should we make it more efficient? And instead of having a for loop, would have some kind of wild loop. Let's not care about it. that's done. Okay, I'll stop recording there and go to part 2.